Hello ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I am going to talk about weekly prediction. Week commences from 31st of May 2021 to 6th of June 2021. You know very well my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your zodiac sign or moon sign. Just keep your ascendant sign in your mind and listen my video. You will definitely get some information related to your ascendants. So let's talk about Cancer ascendants. Cancer ascendants, this whole week, Monday and Tuesday, you will be sky high and top. You will get a lot of new opportunity to start new business. If you are already in job, your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. You are able to get orders from market. This whole week brings a lot of positive news for you. Monday and Tuesday, very rewarding days when your mother blessings are with you, when your parents are support you, your family, your siblings will help you a lot. This whole time you will be sky high and top and you are feeling very positive energy. You are in a comfort zone. You enjoy your life thoroughly. Tuesday will be, you need to be careful after Tuesday after 4 p.m. You need to be careful about your stomach related trouble may arise. Wednesday and Thursday, your health will be matter of concern or your mother health will be matter of concern. Overall, this whole week, professionally you will be top and sky high. You will earn a lot of money, name, fame at your workplace. If you are importer, exporter, if you are any type of business associate, your business associate will showing their trust on you and they may start something big with you. But health of your mother from Tuesday 4 p.m. or health of your own will be matter of concern till Thursday night. You need to be careful and alert. Friday and Saturday, another very positive days for you. When you are feeling much relaxed and comfort, your siblings will support you. Don't share your secret with anyone because people are jealous from your success. Friday and Saturday, you will earn a lot of cash, you will earn a lot of money, multiple sources of earning will arise, your savings will rise, your health will be fine, you will enjoy a lot of comforts, your family atmosphere will be wonderful. And you may get some new business opportunities. This whole week brings a lot of positivity, good gains, success, peace of mind, fame, rewards, and you will blessed with a lot of gains. Cancer, you must read this mantra Om Namah Shivaya, 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 Om Namah Shivaya 108 times, 121 times, 131 times. The more you chant this mantra, the more you feel positivity. You must read Lord Ganesh Chalisa every day morning and must read Lord Shiv Chalisa every day morning 3 times or 5 times. You will definitely feel much relaxed and positive energy and you have ability to face all challenge in your life if you read Shiv Chalisa, Lord Shiv Chalisa and Lord Ganesh Chalisa. Now I am going to talk about Leo ascendants. Another a positive week for you from 31st of May to 6th of June 2021. You will be on another height of success. You are feeling far better. Right now financial tie-ups will be ultimate Monday and Tuesday. Some new opportunities will arise and you will making lot of money. This whole week, especially Monday and Tuesday, you're feeling much relaxed, comfort, your health will be wonderful and you will live your life in a comfort zone. But your all pending work will click on Monday and Tuesday. There is no doubt. But after some delay, maybe that work may click on Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday. But in this week, you will blessed with a good news related to your all pending work. You will earn money from multiple sources of earning. Your savings will rise, your finance will be upgrade, and your relationship will be ultimate. Your brothers, your sister, your in-laws will help you a lot in a good sense, or your tie-ups will be strong with your loved one. If you are in an affair or living relationship, Leo, or if you are in a marriage, you have a spouse, you will blessed with a very positive moments you will spend with your loved one. You will get a lot of business opportunities on Wednesday and Thursday. Don't ignore these opportunities because planets Jupiter is in transit in your 7th house, which is a house of opportunities, daily income, life partner. You will get opportunity for marriage, you will get opportunity for new friendship, you will get opportunity for new business associates. And don't miss this good transit. And moon is also supporting on Wednesday and Thursday. You may start something new with someone. You may start something new as a business investments, as a business, as a investment in real estate or stock market or any type of investment seen as per dynamics, because Jupiter blessings are there for you. Jupiter transit in your 7th house, aspecting is on your 11th, 1st and 3rd house. All these houses linked with your braveness, courage, unexpected gains, social circle, friends. You are all about self-respect, your health, everything you will enjoy very nicely. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo ascendants. This whole week from 31st of May to 6th of June 2021, Monday and Tuesday will be struggling days when you are out from the comfort zone. Your seniors are not satisfied from your performance. You are trying to perform your best, but you are failed to get results. Your health will be matter of concern. So backbone related trouble will irritate you. Eyesight related trouble will irritate you. Neck related trouble will irritate you. If you have a Rahu Mahadasha, if you have a Ketu Mahadasha, you will be a part of any problem. You will be a part of any litigation. Your money will spend on hospitalization on Monday and Tuesday. Your any family member will be hospitalized. Wednesday and Thursday you will bounce back, but things are not working as per your expectation because your ascendant lord is in retrograde motion. This is not very productive time. If you have a retrograde Mercury in your birth chart, you will blessed with a lot of gain. Overall, this whole time brings a lot of up and down, up and down. Your mentally thoughts is not stable. You're feeling uncomfort. You are not in a comfort zone. This whole week brings a lot of negative thoughts in your mind, and due to your negative thoughts, you will be a part of depression. You are not feeling comfortable. You are feeling restless. This whole time, Virgo, you need to be calm and must start meditation. Wake up early morning and must start some meditation and must chant this mantra. Om Gan Ganapataye Namah, Om Gan Ganapataye Namah, Om Gan Ganapataye Namah, Om Gan Ganapataye Namah. The more you chant this mantra, the more you feel positivity surround you. Overall, this whole week brings mixed result for you. Professionally, if you are businessman, if you are importer, exporter, manufacturer, shopkeeper, you are not happy from the way you earn money from your business. But by the grace of God, end of this weekend will be a little bit promising for you when you spend wonderful time with your siblings, with your friends, with your near and dear. But financially, you are struggling in this week. And must chant this mantra, Om Gan Ganapataye Namah. Must offer Moti Chur ke laddu to Lord Ganesh Bhagwan on Wednesday morning. Thank you for watching my video. I am praying for your happy future. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.